So you got an Android TV box and you want to play some games on it. Well, for me, my favorite is the Xbox One controller. So let's see how to do it. But first, the intro. So what I have here is I have the Xbox One controller, and I wanted to see if I could hook it up to the Android TV box because there's a game I really like, the Asphalt game. So what I tried to do was I tried to use the original Xbox cable, the USB cable, and hook it up and start playing games because I like the controller itself. Now this is the original, this is not the brand new S model. And so what happens is, it didn't work. So forget it. So what I had to do was I had to buy a brand new controller. So I bought this Patrol Tech controller. So I'm going to move this one to the side for now. And I'm going to do an unboxing here. So, I'm going to get out my trusty knife here and open her up and see what she looks like. Let me do this all. There we go. Alright. So, with the Xbox One S controller, it's got the Bluetooth. Also has the earpiece, where this one does not have the earpiece. You have to buy another connection. So let's see. All ready? Oh yeah, let me smell this. Oh, brand new smell. Let's take this bad boy out. Got little batteries in there. So there is the new controller. Now, alright, let me try that again. So to check if you have the S or non, you could see that this plastic piece is a continuous. Now, on the old style, it is two pieces, as you can see. So this is the old style. And so we're going to focus in on the new style and get it hooked up to the Android TV box. So we are going to set that aside for the moment. Alright. So now we've got the new Xbox One S. So with that, I have a bonus unboxing. I got me a charger stand that matches this controller, the Patrol Tech. So we are going to do another unboxing. Let me get this out here. Best way to do this is, well, let's take a look first. Hold on. Let me set this down for a second. And then it's got a little, oh yeah, that's beautiful. Hang on, let me see. Let me, very sharp knife here. It's one side. Grab the other side here. I don't want to cut myself. Alright, let me set the knife to the side. Alright, so now we've got this nice Gear 1. I'll leave the where I got it down in the description. Okay, so as you can see, what you get the battery, the back of the case, and the charger. Well, let's see what we got here. See how well it really matches. Oh, okay. Got a little lid here. Hang on. Let me set that to the side. And we've got this controller. So how close is this controller charger color to this? Looks like a nice match. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So let's see what else you get in the box. So this is from Controller Gear. Let's see what else we got in here. We got all this stuff. Let me set this to the side. So, got a little instruction manual. Read that later. And we've got the battery, the charger, and the back cover. Set this to the side. Alright, so you get all that. And in fact, so you know, I've used these type of batteries before. These rechargeable batteries, and they're awesome. I would definitely recommend getting these type of batteries. So let me put all this together and I'll get back to you, because the most important is getting the Android TV box with the controller. All this other stuff was a bonus. So hang on one second. Alright, so let's put the battery in. So we're going to take the back off. It slides right out. And what we're going to do is there's a plus and minus. You can see there's a positive and negative. And so it's going to go in like so. Alright, get that nice and in. And then you're going to take their new back and just slide it on there. And now you've got the charger and the new battery. Let's move this. Let's see how it looks. Now you got a nice little stand that matches. Very nice. Look at that. Alright, enough fooling around. Let's get to the monitor. Alright, so now we're at the screen. And I've got the controller right here. And so on the back of the controller, there is a button, as you see right there, that I'm going to press, and that's how you sync. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on by, sorry it's so dark in here, I'm going to turn it on by pressing the X right there. Let's go. So now you can see it's doing that, and then I'm going to press the top sync button, and the blinking light's going to be different. So now I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to go into Droid settings, then more settings, and we're going to see the Bluetooth right here. It says disabled. So we're going to enable that. And while it's still blinking, it says Xbox wireless controller up here. So I'm going to pick that. Now it's thinking. Let's go. And you can see it says pairing. Now it says connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of all of this, and I am going to go into a game. Let's see. As you can see, I'm moving with my controller, so I'm going to hit A. Now we're going to go into Asphalt and see how well it works. Whoa. Still loading. Well, that took like forever, so I'm just going to say race now for this thing. Do the mini game for now, just to get it going. Now I have a mouse hooked up to it, so I could have used the controller. Okay, boy, that took forever. Now I don't have the sound, unfortunately, but you'll get the idea. Let's see if I can get the lights here. Which car am I? Oh, okay, so I'm pressing A, and as you can see, moving side to side. So there you go. There's a little turbo action. Let me take somebody out. Oh yeah, let me take that guy out. Oh yeah, how about that guy right there? Take you out. Oh yeah, messed me up. This game is so hot. And then I pressed B for a little nitro action. And there you go. This game's awesome. If you never played it and you like a race game, it's an awesome game. First, let's see if I can get that guy out. Oh yeah, I took him out. There you go, guys. So let's get back to the video. So as you can see, an Xbox One S controller works with the Android TV box with no problems. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.